learn how to plot two different data range graphs like this into a single graph with two axes like this. So now, without wasting time, let's quickly start the session. And now we'll begin with our program. So now I'm going to write the data range for our graph, and there we go. This is the x-axis from 0 to 2 pi on the step size of 0.01. Y1 is a sine function of x and y2 is a cos function of x, but it is 19 times, right? So obviously the data range for vertical axis for both this graph is different. We can say that y2 is 19 times larger than y1. Let me show you these two separate graph and then we'll see how we can add up these two together. So I'll simply write plot for both the graphs. There we go. Plot x y1 and we'll hold on the value in same graph we'll plot x y2 and let's run it. But we have not saved this file, so when we run it, it will ask us to save. So we'll give the name multi-axis matlab plot and we'll save over here. We'll add to path and there we go. So the problem is clearly visible. This data range is so large that the variation in the first graph, right, x versus y1, it's not clearly visible. So to clearly visualize the differences in, maximum value, minimum value, positive, negative, and all those things, we need to separate those axes because the difference in to the vertical data range of both these graphs is very large. So we'll close it. Now we do not require this hold on. What we'll do, write the command y-axis left. So this graph we are going to plot on left hand side and this one on right hand side. So the axis of this graph will be on left hand side and the axis of this graph will be on right hand side. And now let's run it again. And now you can see the blue one, the axis of this blue graph is on left hand side and the axis of this orange one is on right hand side. Let me do small variations over here. So I have increased the line width, so now it's more appropriate to see, right? If you want to give the axis property and title, you can give it over here. And let's run it. And this is how its amplitude of y1, its amplitude of y2, time and sine and cos function. Oh, I have written it not appropriately. It should be like this function, right? So this is how you can plot multiple axes in MATLAB graph.